Hi kids, I'm back and I have Charmander and Pikachu with me and they're going to help us do some math this week. So for math, we're going to be practicing adding and subtraction. We do that a lot, but we're going to be doing it with a 10 frame. So if you have a packet, there's some 10 frames in there for you. If not, you can draw a 10 frame. Now, Miss Henderson was really lucky and I snuck up to school and I got my magnetic 10 frame, which is really cool. So I'll put it on my board and it's magnetic so it sticks. I love it. All right. And we all know, why do we call it a 10 frame? Think about that. Why do we say 10 frame? Good, because there's 10 squares, and always double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 squares on it. Now I know you don't have this at home, and that's okay. You can get a sheet of paper and draw a 10 frame. And when you draw it, just make sure, it's kind of blurry, let's let it focus. Let me try fixing that. Let's see. Oh, it's still being blurry. Silly computer. Let's try again. Oh, nice. Well, let me start drawing and see if it'll focus. And remember, you can use a sheet of paper, whatever you have at home. You can draw 10 frames. Just make sure it has 10 squares. There should be 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. So the way I draw is I do a big rectangle and a big line across the middle. And I do little lines to make the 10 squares. And then I always double check. Charmander, why don't you help me double check? Make sure there's 10. Okay, you count for me, ready? Use your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that 10, Charmander? Okay, so we're good. So I say you can draw it, use whatever you have. Miss Henderson has her magnetic one, so I'm going to use that. And we're going to do 2 addition problems together. And we're going to do 2 subtraction problems together. And I'm going to show you what you guys are going to do at home for your practice. So the first problem we're going to do together is we're going to do 7 plus, we're adding, so that's our plus symbol, 2 more, and we need to find out what does that equal. Now you can draw it, you can use objects at home. For the first one, I'm going to use my little beans I have. You can use whatever you have. So we're adding, we're putting together, when a plus means put together. So how many did we start off with? Good, 7. So let's put 7 beans down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, pigeons. We had jumping. 6, 7. So we have 7. Now if we're adding, we need to put more on. So let's add 2 more. And I'm going to turn them on the white side. So that's 1, 2. So I had 7 red beans. I added 2 more white beans. Let's have Pikachu count and see how many that is all together. Okay, ready, Pikachu? Use your nose. Actually, no, let's use your ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Pikachu, how many did we have all together? 9. 9. So let's write our answer. Remember, a 9 is a big line down and a little curve. So we know, and we can read our number sentence, 7 plus 2 more equals, that's our equal symbol, 9. Good job. Thank you, Pikachu and Charmander. All right, let's erase that, and let's do another problem. Let's do a subtraction problem this time. Let me take my beans off. Goodbye, beans. All right, so I still have my 10 frame, but we're going to do a subtraction problem this time. Let's start with the number, let's start with 8. I like 8 because it's really the squiggly number. Round and back up. Okay. And we're going to be subtracting, so we're taking away. So we use our minus symbol. Minus. Let's take away 3. Round a tree. Round a tree. That's how you write 3. Oops. Equals blank. Now, we don't know the answer yet. You might, but don't say it. Now, for this one, I'm going to draw. So you can draw to help you too. And I'm going to use two different. I'm going to use my pink marker. So we're starting off with how much? 8. So I need to draw 8. You can draw whatever you want. I'm going to draw little hearts. So I need to draw like 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have to draw it here? No, it doesn't matter as long as we have 8. I'm going to draw it down here. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 hearts in my 10 frame. Now we're subtracting, so we're using the minus symbol, so we're taking away. Now, I can't really take away these hearts because I drew them, right? Look, if I try to pick it up, I can't pick it up because I drew it. So you can either cross it off or erase it. I'm going to erase it. Now I need to subtract 3. So I'm going to erase 3. Here, why don't you help me, Charmander? You erase. Use your little hand. We're going to erase 3, okay? Here we go. 1. Remember, it doesn't matter which ones we erase as long as it's 3. 2. Let's erase this one. 3. So we started off with 8. Charmander erased. He took away 3. He erased them for us. How many are left? Let's see. Let's go ahead and count them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know our answer is going to be 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So that's the answer to our number sentence. So let's go ahead and we're going to move this. I'm going to show you guys your assignment for this week. And like I said, you can draw or you can use objects. Like I use my little beans. Use whatever you have or draw pictures. And so for your work this week, if you have the packet, it starts on page 63. If you don't, that's okay. Just pause the video and you can draw these on a piece of paper and send me a picture of your work. So you have 4 problems for math this week. So your first problem is 4 plus 2. And they give you a 10 frame so you can draw a picture to help you, or you can use different little objects around the house. Then you need to solve this problem. 5 plus 1 more. What does that equal? Keep going, and on the next page of your packet on 64, notice that your symbol changed. It's now the minus sign, so you're going to be taking away. So 6 minus 2, what's the answer to that problem? And your last problem is 6 minus 5. So what's your answer for that problem? So you have 4 problems for math this week. If you have the packet, just take a picture of it and send it to me. If you don't, just draw them on a sheet of paper. Those are your 4 problems. I love you guys very much. I'm going to make some more videos for you. I'll see you soon. Bye.